술이 있어 즐거운 세상 주라기 월드. 저는 위스키를 사랑하는 주류 탐험가 조승원인데요. 와, 제가 주라기 월드 시작한 지 3년쯤 됐는데 야, 이분 모실 수 있을 거라고 꿈에도 생각을 못했습니다. 사실 스카치 업계 유명한 분 정말 많지만 어떤 한 장인이 증류소와 브랜드 자체를 상징할 수 있는 경우 그렇게 많지는 않은 것 같은데요. 가장 대표적인 인물 바로 이분이 아닐까 싶거든요. 더 이상 긴 얘기하지 않겠습니다. 스카치의 살아있는 전설 글렌알라키 빌리 워커가 주라기 월드를 찾아와 주셨는데요. 많은 분이 궁금해하셨던 질문 빌리 워커에게 직접 물어보고요. 테이스팅 함께하면서 글렌알라키 핵심 제품에 대한 설명 직접 들어보겠습니다. 자, 그럼 스카치 레전드 빌리 워커 특집 지금부터 시작합니다. 네, 빌리 워커 선생님 벌써 오셔서 계시는데요. 와, 스카치 리빙 레전드 미스터 빌리 워커.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
And you?
It's an honor to meet you. You are my superstar.
It's nice to be in Korea.
I couldn't sleep last night because of you. I feel like dreaming.
Now I feel very guilty.
Thank you for appearing on my show, on my program, even though you are so busy.
You're busy.
Billy, how many times have you been to Korea?
I don't know how many times, but I've been to Korea many times, but not in the last 10 years. Before that, I was probably visiting Korea 4 times a year.
When was your first time?
First time would have been about 40, 45 years ago.
45 years ago?
Yes.
Before millennium? Wow, very long ago.
Yes.
Wow. I think you have a lot of connection with Korea. You also developed several Korean whiskey, right?
Yes. We did some work with Lotte Chilsung with Jinro. We also did some work with Scotch Blue.
Scotch Blue. I remember. As you might know, the popularity of Grand Alaki is enormous, very huge in Korean whiskey market. Do you feel it now?
Yes, of course we feel it, and we kind of understand it. The Korean whiskey drinker is a very informed whiskey drinker, knowledgeable, curious, and inquisitive.
Yeah, right.
We very much like working with that kind of consumer because it keeps us on our toes.
주라기 월드 글렌알라키 편 보신 분 아시겠지만 빌리 워커의 위스키 경력 벌써 50년이 넘었죠. 1972년 자신의 고향인 덤바튼에 있는 발렌타인 회사에 입사를 해서 위스키 만들기 시작한 게 시작이었는데요. 무엇보다 세상에 제대로 알려지지 않았거나 혹은 거의 망해가던 증류소를 부활시키는 전문가로 엄청난 명성을 얻었고요. 벤리아, 글렌드로낙 대성공으로 부와 명예를 거머쥔 뒤에도 은퇴하지 않고 무명증류소 글렌알라키 인수에서 아직까지도 현역으로 일하고 있는 그 모습 정말 인상적인데 이 부분에 대한 질문 해보도록 하겠습니다. Your whiskey career is over 50 years. What attracted you to the world of Scotch whiskey first?
Well, that's quite easy to answer. And I had gone to university to study chemistry, and then Valentine's asked me if I would come and join the team, and that was the start of a wonderful period.
1972?
Yes,
Very long journey.
but a very enjoyable journey.
Second question. Some people say Billy Walker is the smartest man in the Scotch whiskey industry. You had tremendous success. What do you think about this assessment?
I think it's a huge compliment. I am the luckiest man in the Scotch whisky industry.
Luckiest man.
But you know what, the reality is that I've been in the industry and I've worked with big companies, I've worked with small companies, and I've been fortunate enough to take ownership of a number of distilleries and given the opportunity to create kind of whiskey experiences I want to bring to the market. Not the cleverest, but the luckiest.
Especially you have a great reputation for revitalization or rebranding of distillery, including Benriach and Glendronach. What made you decide to restart at Glendalough after a massive achievement?
I had some unfinished business. When the opportunity to acquire Glendalough came along, it was such an interesting opportunity where you're being given a blank canvas and some paint.
Blank sheet of paper.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Go and create your own, your own experience.
I understand.
And also the opportunity to take on a new style of single malt.
자, 좀 더 오붓하게 테이스팅을 하기 위해서 장소도 좀 옮겨봤는데요. 이제부터 글렌알라키 위스키 테이스팅 하면서 빌리 워커에게 좀 더 얘기를 들어보도록 하겠습니다. 테이스팅 타임.
Tasting time. Oh, that's always nice.
What's the first whiskey we'll try?
10. This is batch
11.
11.
How do you taste whiskey? Is there any habit or special way to taste whiskey?
If you're doing this on an evaluation process, rather than the enjoyable experience of just having a drink, is to taste the whiskey early in the morning. And most blenders will do their creative work somewhere between 8 o'clock and 10 o'clock because your palate is at its freshest. You have to recognize that the whole tasting experience is a conversation between your taste buds and your brain. Whatever you taste is what you taste.
Now, let's have it. Glenallachie 10 is very popular in Korea. Korean whiskey lovers. It's just like a collector's item. How do you develop this whiskey?
Glenallachie as a significantly sherry presence in terms of cask use. I can share with you that right now the cask mix is about 50% PX, 25% Oloroso, 10% virgin oak and 5% wine cask.
It's already 11th batch. What is the main difference from previous batch?
Well, our ambition is that every batch should be better. Yeah, 11 has not disappointed.
You satisfied with 11th batch?
I'm very happy with this batch.
Let's taste it. 자, 글렌알라키 10년. 이야. Very fresh. First touch is very fresh. 첫 느낌은 굉장히 좀 프레시해요. 도수는 지금 59.4도로 나왔는데 아시다시피 글렌알라키 10년은 CS죠.
You know, the spirit presence is calm. And on the nose, you're going to pick up butterscotch, honey, vanilla, and lurking in the background, some mocha, coffee, and just lingering further in, you get some cinnamon, orange peel, nutmeg.
여러 가지 노트를 다 잡아내고 계시는데 저는 사실 이런 경지가 아니어가지고 원더풀. 제 개인적인 느낌입니다만 전 배치에 비해서 조금은 좀 산뜻해졌어요. 굉장히 좀 부드럽고.
And you can see if you roll the glass, the tears are quite heavy.
Beautiful color. mahogany?
You know, that's interesting you mentioned the colour. Colour is natural. The colour derives from the sherry wood, but it also derives from the tannins in the original American oak casks. Non-chill filtered, of course.
You stick to some principle. All Glenallachie whiskeys are bottled at 46% or above.
Once you are at 46% and above, the whiskey in a cold temperature will be stable. So you will not get any filtration, you'll not any precipitation, any clouding. If you add water, if you bring the strength down to 43, then these big molecules become uncomfortable and they want to come out of solution. And there is a real science as to what we're trying to achieve.
It keeps the integrity of...
Absolutely. On the colour, you know, sometimes the colour will vary and we don't apologise for that because the colour is totally natural.
절대 컬러링 하지 않으시고 캐러멜 색소 타지 않으시고 그 도수도 이렇게 높게 유지하는 이유에 대해서 말씀해 주셨는데 아주 특별한 안주가 있어요. 지금 이게 지금 시가가 아닙니다. 이게 시가 모양의 피낭시에인데 This is a special whiskey pairing snack.
Well, you know, I'm a blender. I have never smoked in my life.
Really, what is your favorite snack when you drink whiskey?
Depends the purpose of the food. If it's to achieve the maximum flavour experience, we would recommend dark chocolate. a food experience, we would probably recommend eating some kind of meat nibble.
이번에는 글렌알라키 12년 넘어가 보려고 하는데요. 사실 글렌알라키 10년 CS나 또 뭐 15년이 워낙 크게 히트를 해서 그렇지 12년도 12년 체급에서는 아주 훌륭한 그런 제품이라고 할 수 있는데 Billy, this is a flagship bottling of Glenallachie.
Yes.
Can you explain the characteristic of Glenallachie 12?
All the Glenallachie range, the cask choices are within the same kind of limits. Again, it's but we do one unusual process with the 12-year-old and the 15-year-old. When we're bringing the strength of the whiskey down to the bottling strength, we don't add the water to the whiskey. We add the whiskey to the water. So when you add the whiskey to the water, the first part of the addition, you're going to shock the whiskey and some of the high molecular components will come out of solution. And then we continue to add the whiskey, it goes back into solution and it creates a much more stable, long-term liquid in the bottle.
Let's have it. 자, 이제 12년 먹어보도록 하겠습니다.
Thank you. So the nose is beautifully balanced.
알코올 튀는 게 거의 없네요, 진짜 이건.
There is no aggressive spirit in the nose.
병을 바로 땄기 때문에 저는 약간 좀 튀는 맛이 좀 있을 줄 알았는데
Picking up the spices. Cinnamon, nutmeg,
like cinnamon.
hints of cloves.
약간 그 풀 같은 향도 좀 나고요. 그다음에 말씀하신 대로 시나몬, 넘맥 같은 그런 스파이스 향이 좀.
And then you're going to get orchard fruits, honey, butterscotch, vanilla. Always going to be there.
캐스크 조합이 비슷하기 때문에
And then you have the big players. You've got the dark chocolate, the mocha, plums, raisins. And in the back, you're getting the cinnamon. You're getting the cinnamon, the spices, cloves, hints of cloves, nutmeg.
매우 특별한 또 안주를 또 준비를 해주셨는데 This is caramel, and this is cheese, and this is chocolate. What's your choice?
I think my choice would be the chocolate. But I have to say that all three of them are capable of refreshing and stimulating your palate.
초콜릿으로 한번 페어링을 해보겠습니다. 아무래도 제가 10년을 먼저 먹고 나서 도수 높은 걸 먹고 나서 이걸 먹어서 그런지 모르겠어요. 저는 이 12년이 처음에 알코올 튀는 감이 없어서 굉장히 부드럽고 softer than I expected. This is 15. Wow, it's a sherry bomb and very well balanced whiskey, right?
Yeah, this is a Rolls Royce. The cask configuration is the same. PX, Oloroso, American Virgin Oak, French red wine casks, but it's 3 years older. It's been longer in the cask. It's extracting more flavour characteristics from the wood. You know, it's a richer. The experience it's a richer, maybe a little bit more full-bodied.
Let's have it. 15년 맛보도록 하겠습니다. 15년은 사실 제가 가장 좋아하는 저의 최애 위스키 중에 하나인데요. 밸런스감 정말 너무 좋고 그리고 정말 뭐라 그럴까요? 정말 명작인 것 같아요, 이거는. 오.
This is so comfortable in the nose.
Very comfortable.
There's no hint of aggressive spirit at all. This is all about the flavour experience, the organoleptic experience.
모든 조화가 완벽하게 이루어진 그런 위스키 같다는 생각이 들어요.
And there is no one type of flavour dominating here. It's all playing a part. It's like an orchestra.
Pack combination.
Yes. The balance is beautiful.
Variety of cask. Wow.
This you could nose for a long time.
정말 향만 맡고 있어도 좋다는 게 이런 걸 얘기하는 것 같아요. 진짜 여러 가지 캐스크를 쓰지만 그 캐스크들이 완벽한 조합을 지금 형성하고 있는 것 같아요. 와.
Waves and waves of honey, vanilla, coconut, then it's dark chocolate, coffee, raisins, currants. That's going to be overlaid by the PX contribution Christmas cake. And then the spices come in, that's unbelievably smooth in the palate.
Very smooth. Very, very smooth.
Encouraging every one of your taste buds to enjoy this. It's rolling around its front, middle and back.
정말 말씀하신 대로 도수가 믿기지 않을 정도로 부드러워요. 이게 46도인데 굉장히 높은 도수란 말이에요. 근데 그 도수가 전혀 느껴지지가 않아요. 거의 무슨 20도 정도 되는 느낌으로 꿀떡꿀떡 넘어가는 거죠.
This one's a Rolls Royce.
Probably you've been asked this question a lot before. If you were shipwrecked on a desert island alone, and if you had a chance to get just one bottle of whiskey, which would it be?
So I apologise to all the other choices, but it would be 15-year-old.
Wow! Why?
This is a dangerous whiskey. Comfortable in the palate that you have consumed a lot of this whiskey before you realise.
Yeah. Glenallachie 15 is your desert island whiskey. Before ending, I have some question. What is your philosophy of whiskey making?
First of all, understanding what is the personality and the DNA you want to create. And then the next stage is, what are the tools that allow you to achieve the objective? And of course, very important tool is what type of cask are you going to use? Then you have to decide, what is the spirit cut going to be? Spirit cut has to be in balance with the richness of the casks. In many ways, that's the formula for deciding how the journey will continue. A very important part is balancing the quality and the richness of the cask choice to making sure that the spirit cut is strong and bold enough and isn't overwhelmed by the flavours of the wood.
This is the final whiskey. Glenallachie 21 years, ultra premium whiskey, right?
Clearly the whiskey has been in cask for a long time. It's had a long time to infuse into the wood and insinuate the flavours.
Long maturation.
And indeed, you have to follow the development of these casks carefully because they can be a little bit unpredictable. But if you manage the journey properly, 21-year-old is a wonderful age.
Wow, deep color. Before ending, please say hello to Korean fan.
Hi there. It's such a privilege for me to be here in Korea. I love the enthusiasm of the Korean people, and indeed, just love you at Glenallachie. Thank you very much.
자, 술이 있어 즐거운 세상 주라기 월드. 이렇게 오늘 스카치의 레전드 빌리 워커 선생님과 함께 위스키 테이스트까지 함께 했는데요. 저는 그럼 다음 영상으로 다시 찾아뵙겠습니다. Let's have a toast to Glenallachie.
Flange.
슬란지바. Wow. It's perfect.
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 I agree. Thank you for inviting me.
Can I hug you?
Sure.
와.
Thank you.
매일매일이 바보 같아요. 그대를 바라볼 수밖에 없는 나니까요. 내가 이 기적인가요? 이루어지질